This shit gon' lock for a dub. Bust down coast P5.
Tell y'all something about motherfucking 5 steps to becoming wealthy real quick. So number one, gratitude, right? You gotta have gratitude. That's the first thing. First things first, you gotta have gratitude. I know, shit, I'm at the red light right now, feel me? But you gotta have gratitude. You gotta be thankful. You gotta be thankful for shit. A lot of people, shit, y'all get into situations and shit, and you don't be thankful for, you know what I'm saying, the situations that you get in. You don't be thankful for the stuff that you already got, and then you be mad that you can't get more. You don't be thankful for the positions that you are already placed in and shit. You know what I mean? And shit, really, you just gotta be smart about it. You know what I mean? That's really what it is. You gotta be smart, you gotta be humble, you gotta be thankful. Shit, you gotta make that shit happen. You know what I mean? Be thankful for like the air and shit, like, cause if you ain't have air, you couldn't breathe. But then you be like, nah, that's so small, but it's really the small things that count. You know what I mean? You gotta be thankful for like, shit, the trees. And you like, damn, I'm thankful for the trees and the water. Cause then like, shit, for us, we wouldn't be able to breathe without the trees. You know what I mean? And you would think that's like some small shit, but then think about it. It would be life it wouldn't be life if you didn't have air to breathe. You know what I mean? I got my little list, you know, I stay with the list and shit. So that's how I be freestyling the videos. You know what I'm saying? I stay with the list. But number two, you gotta be assertive. All right. So you gotta be assertive with your goals, be assertive with your destination. When you say you're gonna do, like, get out there and do it. Like, this is where I'm at right now. So when you say you're gonna do something, you gotta get out there and do it. Get out there and make that shit happen. Be assertive, like, take control, you know what I'm saying? Like, shit, a lot of people, you set goals and then you kind of fall back, but being assertive is just like being assertive, making that shit happen, you know what I mean? I'm out here driving. So we just cruising right now, you feel me? I got a lot of construction going on, which is cool, you know? I feel like, shit, since the whole COVID shit, like, with all the construction going on, that's gonna be perfect for the city to come back and it, like, just boom. So like, it's gonna boom. I just passed all the construction zone, but you know what I mean? So be assertive. The next one is like, after standing firm, the next one is the 3 C's. All right, catch it, check it, change it. All right, well, no, check it, catch it, change it. All right, so first you gotta, I said it backwards. It's catch it, check it, change it, because you gotta catch it first. So catch it, like, catch what you're doing wrong. You know what I mean? Like, catch what you're doing wrong. All right, catch what you're doing wrong. The next thing is, like, once you understand what it is and not even doing wrong or even doing right, you know, but shit, if you're doing something right and you want to keep doing that, you're gonna keep getting that positive result. You know what I mean? But shit, catch it, check it, change it. That's the 3 C's. So first you gotta catch it. You feel me? So this is how you catch it. Like, first, boom, okay, this is what's going on. This where I'm going. You have to figure out and identify where that problem is in your life. You know what I mean? And then you check it. Okay, this is what I'm about to do differently. And then boom, you change it, and then you do that shit differently. Feel me? Super simple. So catch it, check it, change it. People are like, yo, I'm about to use that one. I'm like, go ahead. That's that one. That one gonna take you to a new level. Number 4, you gotta build your network. All right. So the thing about building your network is, like, shit, your network is your net worth. You know what I mean? So your network is your net worth. It's about, and a lot of people, you want to go wide. I'm trying to know, like, it's really about building deep. It's roots. You trying to build roots. You know what I mean? Like, that's how you build it. That's how you build it. You got to build the roots. Gotta drink some agua. Like, cotton mouth. I be having cotton mouth and shit. You feel me? You really gotta build your network, though. Do whatever you can to build your network. And I mean, see, you think everybody deserves to be in your network, and that's not true. Like, your network gotta be distinct. Like, I got an elite network. I only fuck with a certain type of people and certain people. You feel me? Like, I already know the energy I put out. So it's like, I already know the energy that I'm looking for. You know what I mean? Passing New York right now. Vegas. Early morning. Top drop. About to film some dope shit out here. You know what I mean? So it's pretty dope. And just up scoping, seeing where I want to do all of my shit. You know what I mean? And then we about to go ahead and assemble that team and get cracking. So, you know. know, that's that network though. That's that network. You know what I mean? That's that network. All right. And then the number five. All right. So this video, I'm gonna call this thing the 5 steps to becoming wealthy. Because wealth, I mean, like, you ever heard of a term called generational wealth? You could pass that down. You know what I mean? You could get rich. Everybody gets rich. You know what I'm saying? Or not saying everybody gets rich, but you can get rich in your own ways. Like, you chase that bliss, you chase that high. But wealth is like lasting forever. You know what I mean? It's everlasting. All right. So outwork. So you gotta outwork your competition, and how you do that is you just dominate. Like, you guys be focused on everybody but yourself. Like, I'm only focused on the man in the mirror. You know, at the end of the day, me and my family and mine. Like, I'm helping everybody else out too, but I mean, after I help myself and my family, you feel me? Like, that's the way to do it, really. Like, a lot of people, y'all don't put y'all people first. I put mine first. You know what I mean? So I put my family first, and then myself, and then boom. You know what I mean? And then I just make it. I get out there and make that shit happen, because that's what you're supposed to do. You know what I mean? So outwork, keep working, never give up, go hard. Like, always go hard. Always go hard. You should be always going hard. What? You should always be going hard. That's gonna look dope. Can't wait for the nighttime shit. Like, just wait, man. We got some crazy. I've been out here scoping. Trust me. I'm in director mode right now. It's about to get popping. Feel me? I thought Forex moving like NASCAR was dope, but nah. It's gonna be way more fly. No cap. You feel me? No cap. So then we did Outwork. So I would say SMARTWORK is number 6, but I mean, Outwork and SMARTWORK is really in the same boat. You know what I mean? So shit, I would say SMARTWORK is, you know, when you have that network and you're able to really just expand and make that shit happen. You know what I mean? To tell you the truth though. So SMARTWORK, Outwork. Everybody want to do hard work. Nobody want to do smart work. Like, I mean, hard work is cool too. You can work hard doing smart work. You know what I mean? Like, shit, outsource, make it happen, make it happen. There's ways to use money. There's ways to use money as a tool. You know what I'm saying? There's ways to use money as a tool to get what you need. You know what I'm saying? Money is a tool to help you expand. So, I mean, really, it's just like, you got to expand. If you want to expand anything, you know what I mean? Even doing construction, if you want to add on to your house, it's going to take a little bit of bread to do it. You know what I mean? So, shit, expand. If you want to expand your lifestyle, it's going to take some money to do it. If you want to expand where you at, you expand your business, expand period, it's going to take some money. So you need to get out there and make you some bread and make that shit happen. You feel me? It's your boy Ty. I'm out this bitch.